My name is Zanash. I selected Federal Bank for company registration. In this video, I would like to discuss about regarding the details of the company, its history, its promoter, and which products it provide, and its customers, its competitors, and which industry it belongs to, and details about the industry, its strengths, weakness, and details regarding its suppliers, customers, and regarding its performance and its future plans. The name of the company is the Federal Bank Limited. Its headquarter is situated in Aluva in Kerala state. Its chairperson is Miss Grace Elizabeth Koshy. Its managing director and chief executive officer is Mr. Sham Srinivasan. It had it has a locations it has locations all over the country. There are about 1,281 banking outlets and 1,551 ATMs. Vision. Coming to the vision of the company, its vision is relating to the digitalization. Its vision is to be the most admired bank which is digitally enabled with a sharp focus on micro, medium, and middle market enterprises. Coming to the history of the bank is incorporated before the pre-independence era. It was incorporated in pre-independence era. The bank was incorporated on April 23, 1931 as the Travancore Federal Bank Limited, Nedampuram, under the Travancore Companies Regulation 1916. The bank name was changed to the Federal Bank Limited on December 1949. The bank was licensed under the Banking Regulation Act 1949 on July 11, 1959, and it became second and became a scheduled bank and it became a scheduled commercial bank on July 20, 1970. Promoter The promoter of the bank is Kulangara Paulo Hormis. He was born on 18 October 1917. He was a visionary banker. The, he, he got control in the commercial bank in 1914 in 1945 as its chief executive. He took up the position of this chief executive. Under his help, the bank branches increased to 85 branches during the period of 34 years. The acquisition of the controlling stake in a commercial bank was a defining event in the life of Harmoise. Sri Harmoise breathed his last on 26 January 1998. He was acted as a member of Legislative Assembly. Regarding to the achievements of the company, it got some of the awards. Some of its achievements are it got the Bank of the Year 2019 award at the Danam Banking and Finance Summit. It won first prize in Best Technology Bank Award organized by IBA in 2019-20. Federal Bank wins National Payment Excellence Award in 2017-18. Some of its achievements are these. It provides various products to its customers. like internet banking, mobile banking, cash management services, online bill payment, merchant banking services. It also provides insurance and mutual fund products. It also provides depository services, merchant banking services. It is such a world bank. Uh, it has a huge operations and it provide various products to its customers. Its com- its consumers are divided into three types. There are personal, NRI, and business. Recently, it achieved a mark of 1 crore customers. There are about 1 crore 4,40,685 customers. Coming to the industry, it comes under banking industry. Regarding the performance of the industry, as on January 31, 2020, the total number of ATMs in India increased to nearly 2 lakhs, and it further expected to increase to 4 lakhs by 2021. Public sector banks assets stood at 72 lakh rupees in financial 2019. Coming to its competitors, it is a private bank. Some of its competitors are ICICI Bank, Bandhan Bank, City Union Bank, Axis Bank, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, etc. It do activities related to corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility in Federal Bank began with the first act of cultivating the banking habits in the agrarian society. It first act it began its first act of cultivating banking habits in agrarian society. That activity is to effectively utilize ideal money for productive purposes. Second phase is related to creating employment opportunity. It has two activities. One is related to cultivating banking habits, and other is related to creating employment opportunity for a predominantly farming community. Coming to the SWOT analysis of the company, its strengths are relating to its expansion all over the country. Its net profit for the year is improving in the last 2 years. Coming to its weaknesses, there is a decline in the net profit for the period in the last 3 quarters. As there is COVID situation, COVID-19 prevailing, the net profit decreased in the last 3 quarters. It is declining in the last 3 quarters. Coming to its opportunities, in the recent quarter, in the quarter two results, there is a decrease in NPA, non-performing assets. The share price is its share price is at a low P ratio. Oh, that is a price earnings ratio. It is below 10. Coming to its threats, in the quarter two, there is an increase in provisions and quantity analysis compared to the previous quarter. Its opportunity shows that the bank can improve its activities further because there is a decrease in non-performing assets. Its strengths also shows that there will be an increase in net profit for the next year. Increase in the provisions and contingencies in the second quarter, it shows a threat to the company. Coming to its coming to the portfolio forces, regarding the industry or regarding the company, that is the Federal Bank Limited. There is a competition among the existing firms. If there is a issue of new license, it can create a competition to the Federal Bank Limited. For example, any bank gets a new license regarding any new product. It can act as a, it can provide a competitor. It can provide competitions. It can provide competition to the Federal Bank Limited. There is the threat of new entrants is low as it has a high fixed cost. Only a only few companies will like to enter, and the industry is government regulated. Coming to the threat of substitutes is low. One of his its a substitute is a non-banking financial company. Coming to the bargaining power of buyers, switching cost of switching cost of consumer is high because the consumer is price sensitive. If there is increase in interest rate regarding the lending by bank, it can affect its customers. Bargaining power of suppliers. Regarding the suppliers of banks, there are two suppliers to the bank. There are one is depositors who deposit the money to the bank, and one is the employees who provide their service to the bank. Financial performance of the of the bank of the federal bank is that there is an increase in net profit from 2015-16 to 2019-20. In the graph, we can see that there is a increase from the year 2015-16 to 2019-20. 2016-17 it was increased compared to 2015-16, and 2017-18 also increased compared to 2016-17, and 2018-19 in 2018-19 also increased compared to 2017-18, and in 2019-20 also increased and compared to 2018-19. So there is an increase in year on year in the net profit for the year. This data is taken from the standalone statements, from the standalone financial statements. Recently, the bank it got a net profit for the quarter second, that is the quarter ended 30th September 2020. A period for that period, the net profit for the period is rupees 308 crores. It has the company. It is such a strong company. It is continuously declaring dividend. It continuously declared dividend for the last 5 years. Coming to the fiscal analysis of the company, there are several factors affecting the company. Several factors affecting the business: political factors, economic factors, social factors, technological factors, legal factors, and environmental factors. Political factors regarding the budgets, it can also affect the bank, and regarding the monetary policy, it can affect the bank because the interest rates has to be changed based on the monetary policy. Economic factors, some economic factors like increase in savings, capital formation. Increase in savings can lead to capital formation, and it can affect the bank. Coming to the some of the social factors are like changing the taste of the customers, changing the lifestyle of the customers. They can affect the business of the bank. Technological factors, as I said that its business relating to the digitalization. The bank, it is one of the bank in the private banks that was digitalized in all its branches. technological factors. Changing technology also affect the banking business. It can affect the business of the bank. Legal factors. Regarding the legal factors, like Reserve Bank of India, it regulates the banks in India, and the Banking Regulation Act 1949. It also affects the business of the banking. As the bank, it has to follow the rules of the Reserve Bank of India and Banking Regulation Act 1949. Environmental factors. Environmental factors also affects the business of the bank. As the bank, it is a part of the society. Some factors will affect the business of the bank. Future plans. Regarding its future plans, the bank, its future plan is to increase its branches. In the pandemic situation, in the pandemic situation, the bank is willing to lend. Its future plan is to increase the branches, increase the number of the branches. Thank you.